And when I went for my blood work, I was shocked to see my HbA1c level and doctor put me on medication. It's been more than a year that I stopped taking medication. I'm able to maintain the weight, my blood glucose level and also triglycerides. Hi, I'm Praveena, basically from Mysore, settled in Chicago from 15 plus years. As I'm staying in Chicago, I have limitations in my workout because it's colder country and I don't get good weather to go outside for walk and all. With all these lifestyle issues, I started gaining weight. And when I went for my blood work, I was shocked to see my HbA1c level and doctor put me on medication. I badly wanted to work on my health. So I started doing the intermittent fasting and the Whole30 diet, which had restrictions for the first 30 days. And I also realized that these things are not really helping me. So I needed a professional help. And per doctor's recommendation, I took help from a dietitian in Chicago. I started following the diet plan provided by the dietitian and I lost about 4 to 5 kgs. But when I stopped following that, I regained the weight that I had lost. And during my next doctor's visit, and she recommended to go for strength training as it might help with my weight reduction and also bringing down the sugar level. Listening to her suggestion, I reached out to gym trainer and took a personal training. I had to push myself for rigorous workout and I had to shell out good amount, and end result was I was able to lose 10 kgs of weight in a matter of 12 months, and also I was able to reverse my diabetes and came out of medication. And there was a shift in my life again, and wherein the sedentary life was back and I couldn't do so much of rigorous workout, and which led to weight gain which I had already lost through the personal training, and I was back on medication again. One fine day my husband met one of his friends who had lost weight through a Rustic Wisdom program which is located in Bangalore. And he was quite impressed with the results he was having because it didn't had any restrictions. He came home and talked about it and he said he wants to go ahead with that program to reduce his weight. I laughed at him and I said I know what the real nutrition is because I have tried so many things, and you just follow whatever I suggest and be consistent, you'll see the results. But thank God he didn't listen to me. He went ahead and signed up for the program and he reduced around 19 kgs in 6 months. It's unbelievable because I never thought he would be able to follow any diet program because he's a foodie. First month, he was able to reduce around 4 to 5 kgs, which was stunning. Initially, I felt it's too much of work and he won't be able to follow the routine. But to my surprise, he was able to follow it and he was able to enjoy the food that was suggested. If he can follow, anyone can follow this diet. I was following the same diet plan as my husband. I didn't see any changes in my weight. Instead, my glucose level started raising up. That's when I realized that this program or the diet meal plan was catered to my husband and it was not fit for my body. And my husband suggested to reach out to Rustic Wisdom team to get a personalized plan. I reached out to the team and got into the program where they designed the diet program which fits my body. End result, I was able to lose around 12 kgs in 6 months and my hemoglobin A1c came down to 5 from 6.3, and also I was able to bring down my triglycerides from 300 to 110. And this diet program did not have any supplements, artificial ingredients or anything fancy. It was truly simple, easy to do, and my stomach was full without any restrictions, and still I was able to lose weight and also get out of the medication. It's been more than a year that I stopped taking medication. I'm able to maintain the weight, my blood glucose level and also triglycerides. This is more sustainable program which is easier to do and easier to follow. I never thought that this was possible and I never thought this was sustainable. If I'm able to do it and sustain it, anyone else can do it too. If you're like me, trying to reduce weight or reversing your diabetes or want to work on your health program, Rustic Wisdom is the way because it is more sustainable and doable for a longer time. I'm truly grateful for Rustic Wisdom team because I was able to reverse my diabetes, lose weight in a sustainable way.